And welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Ugreen. It's the USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. I really like that it's tilted, so you'll go into your phone like this, or laptop, or whatever you're going to use it. And then on this other side it's also braided, and on this other side your 3.5mm jack will go in, like so. And then this goes into your phone, and you can play music on headphones like this, old school headphones.